In this video, we will learn the easy understanding of Frank-Starling law. This law is applicable to both skeletal and cardiac muscle. So, what the law states? It states that the height of contraction of skeletal muscle is directly proportional to the initial length of muscle fiber, but within physiological limit. So again, re-emphasizing this law, the height of muscle contraction is directly proportional to initial length of muscle fiber within physiological limit. You are seeing the diagram of catapult in this slide. So if you put a stone and you pull the strap, as much as you pull the strap, your stone will go the farther distance, but it should be within a limit. Okay, so we can understand this law or compare this law, or for easy learning we can compare this law with catapult. So for skeletal muscle we learn, now for heart or for cardiac muscle. So for cardiac muscle, that stroke volume is directly proportional to the end diastolic volume within physiological limit. So increase in end diastolic volume within physiological limit results in increase in the contractile force, that is stroke volume of the heart. Now coming at the cellular level, what is happening? So these two diagrams are of sarcoplasm. So at cellular level, increase in the sarcomere. These two diagrams are of sarcomere. So at cellular level, you are seeing increase in the sarcomere length results in increase in the tension during isometric contraction. So basically what we are seeing in this diagram, as the sarcomere length is less, we are seeing that the distance or approximation between myosin and actin is more, but as the length increases, approximation between myosin and actin is now good. So increase in the sarcomere length increases or causes better approximation of actin and myosin molecules, so that contraction becomes better. But as the length decreases, these actin molecules become slack, so that contraction and the approximation is also not good, so contraction becomes less. So we learned the concept. Another way of understanding this law is that there is length dependent change in the sensitivity to calcium, means calcium which bind to troponin C, as the length of sarcomere is increasing, as these graphs are showing, that as the length is increasing, sensitivity of the or binding of the calcium to troponin C is better, and we are seeing that suppose at this point length is less, sarcomere length is less, force of contraction is this much. As the length increases, force of contraction at the same intracellular calcium level is increasing. As length further increases, at same intracellular calcium level, height of contraction further increases. So sensitivity of the calcium or binding sensitivity of calcium to troponin C increases, so that height of contraction increases. So this law is very simple, and it is asked frequently in the exam. So please learn this law. Thanks for your patient hearing.